Welcome back, Generals, to another Let's Fix Generals 0 Hour to make the best game ever. Good. We have last sessions we did a lot of code reviewing, so I thought that maybe we should attend the codes for once. I feel like I'm held up too much by reviews. But they need to be done, otherwise nothing advances, right? Good. So I think we can do a fetch and prune again. Get some updates. Yeah. Okay. Then we can go to main branch. Get latest. Yeah. Okay. Good. So I'm thinking it's time to split out the next stuff. Yeah. Whatever that may be. Let's see. Okay. Set default pitch. Get default pitch. Sorry. We could add the default pitch thingy here. Maybe. Or this. Yeah. What can I say? So this one would be interesting, the default pitching thingy, but I think we can't take it yet. How can we set default pitch? Set default pitch. Yeah, recalc set default pitch. Pitch. Maybe. Maybe we can. Well, get default pitch. Nope. Default pitch. No. Default pitch. Okay, we don't use it yet. Okay, so it looks like we need to take it together with the other one here. Yeah. Okay, I would say we go to main branch and we cherry pick it and we could also take, I'm not sure, maybe we take the, we can't take this is too early. Maybe we take this here first, update camera area constraints. That could be an option maybe. Maybe. Oof. This one looks pretty dirty here, this diff. Oh. Oh. Okay, but I think this all belongs together here. So we would take, oh boy, we would take this here. Yeah. Update the 3D camera before using its transform. looks very complicated. Huh. Hmm. Hmm. So the problem is I can't recall which changes we need in combination of each other. That's a problem. Yeah. Okay, it's not easy. Man. Area offset. Oh. To me, it looks like we need to split this somehow, but I don't know yet how. this part here is unsettling, these two functions. Because it looks like there's multiple things going on, which we need to somehow split apart. But I don't see right now what the pattern is here, because I can't remember what I did. So this is new. And this here, I don't know. Somehow different. Huh. Oh. Hmm. 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 Oh man. So camera area offset, where's that? Let's see. Okay. Looking down. Ah, okay, so it's split apart, yeah. Offset. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Maybe we should first do this split, yeah. Yeah. Split. It's looking. Camera position. This one is also new, right? Split camera position. Right. So that also needs splitting first. Uh-huh. Okay, so we first need to do some reflectors again. Okay. I think what we need to do is we need to reset all this junk here. And then Then we need to open this and then piece by piece reassemble things. So first we need this here. Yeah. Camera transform. Okay. Then here we do build camera position. Okay. I think we can do it like this. Okay. And then we do, and this one. Yeah. Then we remove this one here for now. Okay. Okay, that's it. Let me go here. So build camera transform. There we go. So build camera position. Build camera position. So we take this and then so we have ground level. So basically all of this, right? No? Yeah. Target pass. Make it larger. Yeah, so basically all of this goes in here. Oops. Okay. Okay. And then in build camera transform, we do this. This one goes here. Okay. Okay. Then here we remove everything until here. Yeah. Okay, color camera area offset. No, that's not what we're interested in. Here, build camera position, build camera transform. There we go. Okay. Yeah, so that should work. Now, obviously, now we have some compile errors. So let me see where this is called. Here. So. Mm-hmm. Okay, then here we do that. Source pose, target pose, build camera position, camera transform, source pose, target pose. Okay. Okay, that works. And then we do the same. Do the same here. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay, great. Mm-hmm. Okay, and then next step we do the split here. So color camera area offset. Ground level. Offset, just offset, yeah. Color camera area constraints. Mm-hmm. So here we're just concerned about getting this offset value. Mm-hmm. Okay. So we take this function, we put it here, and then we do offset. Yeah, offset. Max edge set. Let's say we take all of that. We remove this. Yeah. Here we do return offset. And so here we have center bottom, center screen. What is bottom? Bottom. Huh. That's for another time, I guess. Okay, I think we can leave it like that. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Then here we do offset this. Okay. And then here we take all of this. Map region. What about map region? So I think we do that. And that's it. Like that. Get extend. Get extend. Yeah. I think that should work. Yeah. You can also remove this here. Okay, so if I'm not mistaken, then this should compile and work. Yeah. Let's see. Let's take a look at the diff. If it looks clean. This one looks pretty good. This one, yeah, it looks as complicated as the other one. But that's fine. Yeah. Okay. Okay, I think that's fine. Oh, let's not send that. But right now, everyone is just spamming you. We have 96 open pull requests right now. What is this? 96. Why not open 100 more? Man, we'll never get done here. We'll keep building forever. Oh, there's a compile error. What is that? Error. Redefinition. Oh. Oh. Ah, okay. It was moved down. Fair enough. Sure. Okay. Position transform. Position transform. All right. Blah, 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 blah. Okay. So pass, target pass. Okay. Okay, let's give it a quick test. If this still works correctly, but it should. There's no logic change. Yeah. Oh. Good. Let's take a look at the scripted camera. Yeah. Mm-hmm. 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 Okay. Mm-hmm. Okay, that looks fine. Let's open a skirmish. Official map here. Submap. Okay. Let's scroll around a little bit. So the command center. Yeah, here on the mountains. Yeah. Okay. Let's use some camera controls. Zooming, rotate, reset, scroll, pitch. Yeah. Fourth. Okay. That's it. Yeah. Okay, cool. Okay. Good. I'm happy with that. I think that's a good first step to before we do the other changes. Cleans up the diff then later on. That's great. Okay, let's create a new branch. Refactor, W3D view functions. Yeah. Then how do we describe it? Refactor view split build camera transform. Split the contents of W3D view, build camera transform, and W3D view This one. Okay. Then we push that. This change splits the contents of functions. This makes it easier to reuse. Makes it. I can't remember if it was like just a. I can't remember if that had like a deeper purpose. Yeah. Refactor minor gen ZH. Functionality wise, nothing changes. Okay. Okay, great. Oh, how is it possible that we have 10 new changes in 24 hours? What is this? It sounds like a complaint. Man, well, it is too much. Okay, let's see what is currently approved. Maybe we can already merge some changes. Yeah. Okay, there is some. Okay, what about this one? This. Yeah. So this one is. Ready? Let me take a look at it again. Diagnostic. Yeah, okay. Cool. Okay. Great. The biggest part of this change is the header, the license header. Yeah. It says experimental. Let's put this project. Enhancements. Is it major? Why is it major? I did that. Oh, it's minor. Minor networks. Minor. It's not network. It's not stability. Enhancement minor, this project. I think that's fair. Okay. Now we can merge this one. Okay. Next, reorder random value functions. Okay. Okay. Random value function definitions. Okay. Refactor random, reorder random value function definitions. Okay. Okay. That is done. Refactor Dozer AI update, streamline Dozer task cancellation logic. Yep. Okay, this one was ready to go. Gen minor refactor 0 hour. Let's go. Dozer task cancellation logic. Streamline Dozer task cancellation logic. Refactor Dozer task cancellation logic. Refactor Dozer AI update. Good. Great. Okay. Then next we can do let me go to author Stubiax. So these battle plan thingies, if he has updated them, then we could improve these as well. Same. Now we turned it to stack variable. Yeah. Okay. Okay, what's wrong with the build here? going on here? Greptile is out of control with the comments, it seems. Let's rerun this job here. So this is bug fix battle plan. Yeah. But battle plans are now always applied correctly. New bonus. Wait, new bonus. Okay. Void cast is not necessary. Not necessary. Cast is implicit. Okay, and here, oh boy. Const, okay, that's great. Yeah. On capture, old owner, new owner. What is it? Bonus is an in-out parm. Bonus. Remove bonus. don't know why I wrote could, but let's remove that. Could. Hmm. Change battle plan. Bonuses. Battle plan. Missing null pointer guard. On delete method. Line 194. Where does it say that? Make sure we remove our bonus. We can't do this in the destructor because our team has already been nulled by then. However, player can legitimately be null during game reset cycles. At which point it doesn't really matter if we can remove the bonus or not. Capture. Control. to be careful this. So I have one question here, and that is about this thing. Bonus is an in-out param. So previously, it did modify this thing here. Bonus. Scholar. Okay, right now I don't understand how this is safe, CRC safe, because here the past bonus, is no longer written to, and it's a member, so this guy lives on. Right? How does that work? I do wonder how is this CRC safe? This function is called like so. So battle plan. So M bonuses will be written here by the original code. Change battle plan for player objects. Will be written here by the original code. But now with this change, and bonuses will be unmodified, will remain unmodified. Does not carry the risk of mismatch? If not, why? Yeah, it looks a bit fishy to me here. So I find this very suspicious. Yeah. Unless this code needs updating. Yeah, so I don't quite understand this. Let me see the description again. This change fixes an issue where battle plans are not transferred from the old owner to the new owner when a strategy center is captured. In addition, bonus in effect upon surrender in team games are also not transferred. In retail, capturing strategy center leaves any existing bonus intact for the opponent, while giving the capturing player no bonus. Yeah. Yeah. To me, this doesn't look CRC safe here. To me, this looks very unsafe. Does it pass the replay check? It does. But maybe the test replays don't cover a case where this matters. Yeah. Yeah. It looks very shady here. Yeah. At least for retail compatibility's sake. Yeah. Good. So we'll submit this review. Looks risky. Okay. Good. What's the time? 1 hour 10. Good. I think I will take a break here. Yeah. Then next session we do some more reviewing. Yeah. Because I'm waiting for reviews as well. Essentially. Let me see if there's some action item on myself right now. So I'm waiting for review on this. Still waiting for this and this as well. We could work on this here again. Yeah. Yeah. No, I don't think there's any action items here. Let me look through them just in case. Yeah. Managed to get debugger and VS Code working. Okay. Stacking dependent PRs. Stacking dependent. That smiley is quite fitting. Mild panic. Good. Then. Yeah, we'll take a break here. And yeah, reviews next session. And that's it. Yeah. Okay. Good. Then I wish you a great day or night. Until next time. Goodbye.